So if you are doing the binomial expansion for this, what do you do? Tell me. The power of the first term will keep on decreasing. So that's 3c0 root 3 cube plus 3c1 root 3 square into root 2 plus 3c2 root 3 into root 2 square plus 3c3 root 2 cube. Now you can use Pascal's triangle to get this 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, correct? You add this 1, 3, you add these two, 3, 1. So this is basically 1, 3, 3, 1. So even if you use combination formula, this will. Now what is root 3 cube? 3 root 3? Yeah. Because root 3 into root 3 into root 3, correct? This is 3, 3 root 3. Root 3 square is 3, root 2 plus this is 3. So root 3 into 2 square is, root 2 square is 2 plus 1 into root 3, root 2 cube is 2 root 2. So if you simplify this, so this is 3 root 3 plus 9 root 2 plus 6 root 3 plus root 2. So that's how much? Plus 2 root 2. Huh? Plus 2 root 2. 2 root 2, yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. So 9 root 3 plus 11 root 2. Follow? So determine the first three terms in the expansion of this paper 1. This is in ascending order ways. But you should know the concept. Giving answer in the simplest form. Okay, use paper 2. Yeah, fine. You can use paper 2 also. You can use your calculator too. Sorry, I didn't understand it. Now, let me just explain to you the formula which is there in binomial expansion. If you have a plus b raised to n, the formula is nc0 a raised to n plus nc1 a raised to n minus 1b. The power of the first term will keep on decreasing. See, first of all, the coefficients will be nc0, nc1, nc2, nc3, correct? Up to ncn. Okay? Then the power of a will keep on decreasing. A raised to n, a raised to n minus 1, a raised to n minus 2, a raised to n minus 3, correct? A raised to n minus n. So a raised to 0. The last one. The power of b will keep on increasing. This b raised to 0 basically. That's 1. So I didn't write it. B raised to 1. Then b raised to 2. Yeah. So, then b raised to 3 and so on and so forth till the b reaches its pinnacle of b raised to 11. Sorry. So there are how many terms in the expansion? 12. N plus 1 terms. 12. Correct. So there will be 12 terms in the expansion. And you have to just apply this formula then. So if I am doing the sum, so 1 minus 2x raised to 11. So I have to write the first three terms. So 11c0 plus 11c1 plus 11c2. Now to take the first one, 1 raised to n, so 1 raised to 11, 1 raised to 10, 1 raised to 9. Then take the second term, minus 2x raised to 0, minus 2x raised to 1, minus 2x raised to 2. Now please remember one thing, that these two will add up to n. Always, huh? So 10 plus 11. So that's how you can keep a check. 9 plus 2 11. Correct? And if this is 0, this will be 0. If this is r will come here basically. Yeah. If this is 2, this will be 2. Now we simplify this. So 11c0 is 1, 1 is to 11 is 1, and this is 1. 11c1 is 11, is 11 basically. 11c1 is 11. 1 raised to 10 is 1 into minus 2s. Is there anything c1 that number? So 11 factor is 11 into 10 upon 1 into 2. Shortcut. Yeah. 11 into 10 upon 1 into 2. That's 110 over 2. Correct? Into 1 raised to 9 is 1. Into 4x squared. But sir, 110 over 2 is not 11. Who's saying it's 11? I never said it's 11. It's the third term I'm writing. Oh, okay, my bad. I'm writing this, I'm writing one below the other. Oh, bad. So that's 1. But is there something else? Is there something else, sir, in the formula? 2, 5, something else means? In the NCR formula, is there? It's not just n factorial over r factorial. There's something else also. N minus r factorial. Okay. Let me explain that to you. What? NCR n factorial r factorial n minus r factorial.
Okay, boss. So that's all.
So if I do 11c2, listen, let me explain this to you. It's 11 factorial, correct? And 9 factorial, correct? 11 minus 2 is 9 factorial. What is 11 factorial?
Oh,
11 into 10 into 9 factorial, correct? Upon this is 1 into 2 and 9 factorial. So this and this cancels out. So the shortcut is
that's crazy. I didn't even think of that. Yeah.
correct. So 5 4s are 20, 220.
So then goes there.
220 x squared. That's it.
Is this formula in the formula booklet?
Yes, this formula is in the formula booklet, but only children do not apply it. See, it's very important that. So see, you apply the formula of TR plus 1. You know the TR plus 1 formula?
Yeah.
The general term NCR.
That's exactly what.
A raised to n minus r, b raised to r. What's your n? Yes, what's n?
7.
7. What's a?
X squared.
What's b?
Minus 2y.
Minus 2x raised to minus 1. Same thing. So now you apply NCR.
R is 3.
So 7CR. How do you know that?
Because x square has to be 8.
Yeah. So if you can't, I'm thinking if you can't figure out, you leave it as that. You can figure it out by observation. It's good. But if you can't, sometimes
N minus r is
x square. X
R
square.
is 2, no?
7 minus r. See, now I'm doing it everything systematic. Minus 2x raised to minus 1 raised to r. I don't know what r is. So I'll open the brackets. 7CR. X raised to 7 to the 14 minus 2r. Correct?
Yeah.
Minus 2 raised to r. X raised to minus r. So 7CR. X raised to 14 minus 2r. Correct? Minus r. I'm combining these two.
Yeah.
Minus 2 raised to r. So what is the power of x? 14 minus 3r.
So I'm almost done. So don't solve it. I'm almost done. Or just don't show it.
14 minus 3r. And what is 14 minus 3r equal to?
4. So I got the answer.
8.
So I got the answer. So I got the answer.
Yeah. So 14 minus 3r is equal to 8. 6 is equal to 3r. 3 to r is 2. But that's what I'm saying. R is 2.
So how do I
have
go
to
here?
other x is also there.
Sir, simply tell me now. Calculator pe how do I do NCR?
Go to probability. Probability and then combination. Now put this back. So you can do it without calculator. Is it the numbers are big? 7c2. 3 2s are 6 and x raised to 8. No, you can do it without calculator. What is 7? Combination.
Combination?
That's your NCR.
Okay. And then I do.
So what is 7c2? Shortcut.
7 factorial.
7 into 6 upon 1 into 2. Shortcut is this. You can do that long method.
So is 84 the right answer?
It's without calculator, child.
So it's a paper 2 subject.
But you 7 to the 84, x raised to 8. So what is the coefficient? 6 raised to 4 is not a constant term.
No.
It will get it. You have to find a constant term.
So we have to get negative 4 as the answer.
When you multiply, okay, you can think that the negative 4, when you expand this x raised to 4 will get multiplied by each term.
So I need to first find the.
So if you find the general term, and that will get multiplied by the general term as well.
What's the general term?
TR plus 1 formula.
I'm working on that.
Yeah. See, what will I do is, I'll first take the general term of this bracket. So TR plus 1 is equal to NCR 5CR A raised to
5 minus r.
n minus r. And this.
Then you have 3 raised to r, x raised to minus 2
r, correct? And this will also get multiplied by x raised to 4, general term, because every term is getting multiplied by x raised to 4. So now your 5CR x raised to 5 minus r, 3 raised to r, correct? X raised to 4 upon x raised to 2r. Correct?
Upon x raised to 2r cube. Because the denominator is. So why not make it x raised to negative 2r?
Yes, you can do that. So 5CR
Wait,
So I'll combine all the powers of x, 5 minus r, negative 2r plus 4 into 3 raised to r. So,
So
5,
I did it.
5cr, x raised to 9 minus 3r, 3 raised to r. Now you want a constant term. Means the power of x will be what? 0. X raised to 0 is 1, no? Means your x will disappear. So that means your power of x over here that you got should be 0. So 9 minus 3r should be equal to 0. So r should be equal to 3. Putting it back in equation 1. So T4, the fourth term will be there. Do it without calculator.
5C. NCR is damn annoying.
9 minus 3 3s are 9, correct? So I'm just checking whether it's becoming 0. So 5C3 is 5 into 4 into 3 upon 1 into 2 into 3, x raised to 0, 27, 3 3 cancels, 2s are 27 into 10 is 270. So which is the constant term? What is the value of the constant term?
270.
First thing that you'll do is, you'll find the general term of the expansion.
Yeah.
Your n is 12.
Yeah.
Your a is 2x raised to 4. B is equal to x square upon k.
Yeah.
I will apply the formula t hat plus 1 is equal to ncr, a raised to n minus r, b raised to r. Substitute, so 12c r to a raised to 12 minus r, correct? B raised to r. So that means 12cr 2 raised to 12 minus r. You need to combine your x's, no? 48 minus 4r, x raised to 2r, correct? Upon k raised to r.
So I did it.
Now don't leave it like this, it's not. Always combine your powers, always simplify your answers in IB. X raised to 48 minus 2r, correct? You combine this. You're adding the powers because the bases are the same.
Yeah.
Correct? Upon k raised to r. So this is mine. Now what you need to do is, you want the power of x first to be 40.
So can you check this?
I'm doing it. You can check with this. You want it first to be 40. So 48 minus 2r is equal to 40.
Yeah.
So r is equal to 4 you will get. Correct? Check. Did you get r as 4? So the coefficient of x raised to 40 is what? 12c4 2 raised to 8. Correct? X raised to 40. This should come if you put it back. Over what? K raised to 4. That's my one. Now what will you do? Now we'll do 48 minus 2r is equal to 38. So r is equal to 5. So what is the coefficient of x raised to 38?
12c5, 2 raised to 7.
12 raised 5, 2 raised to 7, x raised to 38 over. Now what you've been given? The coefficient. So you're just looking at the coefficient. So this is the coefficient of x raised to 40. This is the coefficient of x raised to 38. The coefficient of x raised to this is 5 times this, k raised to 5. So if you cross multiply, so k raised to 5
So I got it.
K raised to 4. Congratulations. 12c5 into 2 raised to 7.
K is 0.
That would be a marks as well. Now 2 raised to 8. So what is this? K 5. You're not looking at the board. Yeah. Now you can use your calculator upon 2. You can do 12c5 upon 12c4. This will 2. This will lose.
Yeah, even I got 4. Even I got 4.
Correct. You type the entire thing and you'll get k is equal to 4.
So my way is different from yours, but it's outstanding.